Guys, back with another video. Dip Joe, and I'm gonna show you how to hack server safe. I don't know how to say it, server safe. Comment down below how you say it. And okay, this is my server Subway Surf. Now I get it. Subway Surf right here. Now I'm gonna show you how to hack it today. Okay, now let's wait for this. When it's done, I'll show you guys. It came and look how many boys got 2,321. Now you see my stuff. And this guy here's my stuff. Let me show you how to add all the videos. Okay, now let me show you how. Go here, go exit. This can only work for Samsung, or Samsung. Yeah, I don't know how to say it. Comment down below too. And it's for Android and Samsung. Okay. First, you need Appledore. Appledore is this thing right here. Then go to it. Hurry up. We're in Appledore. Now you could download like when they're like the games in Play Store that cost money. That in Appledore. Okay, now hurry up. Okay, now you write Lucky Patcher. Lucky is right here. Patcher. Lucky Patcher. It's this one. Press it. Okay. Moment I'll give things right here. Moment I'll do I'm downloading and do stuff, and I'll come back and show you. It's been done. Now go to here and search for a Lucky Patch. Where's Lucky Patch? It's supposed to be over here. Oh, right here. See, that's Lucky Patch now. Press on it. It said please wait. And you have these stuff. Now what you have to do is search for Subway Surfer. Where is it? I can't find one. Okay. I just press switch because I can't find mine. So let's press squeeze with search. You press right here and download custom patch. Press that. Wait, I think I saw it. Okay, right here. Now you press this. You press this. Then you go open menu of patches. Then you press the sport patch of in app of 11. This longest one right here. Screen longest one. Not the first one, the third one. And I hope you enjoy this video and see you next time. If you give me like 25, 30 likes, I'll make another video how to hack not how to hack Hungry Shark, and see you guys next time.